someone to meet, going out to have a good time. I'm going dancing, dancing out of your life. Bet you thought that I'd go crazy when you said that we were through. Bet you thought I'd cry, lay right down and die. I confess I couldn't care less. I'm going dancing, dancing out of your life. While you're two-timing me, acting so smart, step by step, I'll dance, dance, dance you out of my heart. Find yourself another partner, someone who is just like you. How much can I take? Why should my heart